Lao Tzu, a legendary figure in ancient Chinese philosophy, is credited as the author of the foundational text of Taoism, the Tao Te Ching. Lao Tzu's philosophical teachings revolve around the concept of the Tao, an intangible and transcendent principle that underlies the entire universe. The following 10 principles collectively form the essence of Lao Tzu's philosophy, guiding individuals toward a life of greater harmony, balance, and simplicity in alignment with the Tao. The Tao as the ultimate principle. At the core of Lao Tzu's philosophy is the concept of the Tao, which can be translated as the way or the path. The Tao is the fundamental unifying principle that underlies and connects all existence. It is both the source and the destination of everything in the universe. The Tao is beyond definition or description and can only be experienced through intuitive understanding. It represents a state of perfect harmony, balance, and unity that transcends all distinctions and dualities. The principle of Wu Wei, non-action. Wu Wei, often translated as non-action or effortless action, is a central principle in Lao Tzu's philosophy. It does not advocate complete inactivity, but rather acting in a way that is in harmony with the natural flow of events. Wu Wei encourages individuals to act spontaneously and without forcing things. It involves letting go of the need for control and trusting that events will unfold naturally. This principle emphasizes going with the flow and not resisting the course of life, resulting in a more effortless and harmonious existence. Embracing simplicity. Lao Tzu extols the virtue of simplicity as a means to find contentment and inner peace. He encourages individuals to reduce their desires and let go of attachments to material possessions. By embracing a simpler way of life, one can find fulfillment and reduce the complexities and anxieties associated with the pursuit of artificial desires. Simplicity entails living in the present moment and appreciating life's inherent beauty and richness without the need for excess. Naturalness and spontaneity. Naturalness and spontaneity are closely related to living in accordance with the Tao. Lao Tzu teaches that individuals should act in alignment with their true nature and not be swayed by external pressures or artificial expectations. This principle encourages authenticity and being true to oneself. It promotes acting from an intuitive and genuine place, which leads to greater harmony and a sense of fulfillment. Harmony with nature. Lao Tzu's philosophy places great emphasis on living in harmony with the natural world. This includes understanding and respecting the cycles of nature, recognizing the balance of yin and yang, and practicing environmental stewardship. By observing and learning from the natural world, individuals can gain insights into the workings of the Tao and live more in sync with its principles. The concept of yin and yang. Lao Tzu's Taoism incorporates the concept of yin and yang, representing the duality and interconnectedness of opposites. Yin is associated with qualities like passivity, darkness, and receptivity, while yang represents activity, light, and assertiveness. The balance between these opposing forces is crucial for achieving harmony in life and understanding the Tao's cyclical nature. Humility and selflessness. Humility is considered a fundamental virtue in Lao Tzu's philosophy. It involves letting go of ego and pride, leading to more harmonious interactions with others. True humility is about recognizing our interconnectedness with all beings and understanding the limitations of our understanding. Selflessness is closely related, emphasizing compassion and empathy for others and contributing to a more harmonious society. By releasing the need for personal recognition and status, individuals create space for a more peaceful and equitable world. Compassion and kindness. Lao Tzu encourages the cultivation of compassion and kindness in one's interactions with others. By treating all beings with respect and empathy, people can contribute to a more compassionate and harmonious world. Acts of kindness and generosity are seen as manifestations of the Tao in action, reflecting the interconnectedness and interdependence of all life. Detachment and non-attachment. Lao Tzu teaches the importance of detachment and non-attachment to material possessions and outcomes. Attachment often leads to suffering, as it creates emotional and mental dependence on external circumstances. By releasing these attachments, individuals can attain a state of inner peace and freedom, Detachment doesn't imply indifference, but rather a sense of equanimity, recognizing the transitory nature of both pleasure and pain. The power of silence and stillness. Lao Tzu emphasizes the value of silence and stillness in the pursuit of understanding the Tao. By quieting the mind, letting go of constant mental chatter and distractions, individuals can connect with the deeper truths of existence. Meditation and contemplation are key practices for achieving a state of inner tranquility and profound insight into the nature of the Tao. While these 10 principles can be challenging to fully comprehend and implement, they offer profound insights into living a meaningful and fulfilling life.